Growing up in school, I faced a lot of bullying, and that's what made me feel like I needed to find a safe space for myself, which wasn't my home, which wasn't my school. And nature became that for me. Climate anxiety started affecting me as soon as I realized how climate change was affecting Delhi. The wild was my safe space, a place that I loved being in and a place that I called home. And when the one thing that you love is being taken away from you, you're forced to spring to action. I started a petition to the Indian government to declare a national climate emergency in India, which garnered more than 330,000 signatures. My name is Aman. I'm a 19-year-old climate activist, wildlife photographer, and a terrace gardener. When lockdown started, I realized that I couldn't go out and travel anymore. So I decided if I couldn't go to a jungle, I'm going to make the jungle come to me. I ended up planting more than 300 plants on my terrace, all in 1,500 square feet. I think finding a purpose changes you and it makes you feel complete as a person. This new year, we can take as many gym memberships as we want, like we all do. But I think the crux of it comes down to what impact have we created in the year that is going to come by.